Hey, how's it going? Back with another video for you here. This time I bought the cheapest headlamps I could find on Amazon. These are the Ever-Ready Lightweight Headlamp 2-pack. So these are, it was a 2-pack, which is why they were cheap. I think it was 10, 12 bucks for both of them. So they ended up being like, $5 a piece. I think I actually got them on a Cyber Monday deal, so they were a little cheaper. Let's see what comes in the box. So we have the two of these little headlamps are identical. You can kind of see just a simple switch. It does have a tilt mechanism. Battery compartment, it takes 3 AAAs. It says it's IPX4 waterproof, so it's just really just splash proof or rain proof. I don't know if I would submerge these things. And it says it's shock proof to 1 meter drop resistance. Let's see what else is in here. Well, merci for my Canadian friends and French friends. Ah, thanks on the other side. And of course we have some directions in case you don't know how to work an on-off switch. And it does have the headbands. I got the navy blue version just because my wife says it looked good in blue. Pretty easy here. We just thread this on. You see there, it just goes through there. And go around the other side. Push that in. I have some other headlamps. I have actually quite a few headlamps, but just thought this would be an interesting video. My kids are always wanting to borrow my headlamps, so I really got these for my kids to use. So that'll be the true test to see if it fits them. And then it does come with 6 AAA batteries, 3 for each light. And of course, they're Ever-Ready batteries going in the Ever-Ready light. Let's see how this thing works. Oh, there you go. So off, high, low, yep, and it tilts. So we're going to go test this thing out. I got to go do some work outside. I'm actually hanging up a snow fence, so I got the zip ties out. I already pounded the stakes in, and we'll go see how bright this is. I'll take you along with me. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to test the shock rating. I had this set up at 39 inches, about a meter. So I have it set up. I have it turned on the hard, cold concrete. Let's try it out. Well, I can at least say you can drop it from a meter. It doesn't even look scratched. So let's go get set up, and we'll see how well this illuminates my dark area while I put up the snow fence. All right, so I'm out here. It's pretty dark. I do have the house lights on, so it does provide a little bit of illumination, but this is the significant source of light out here. You can probably tell with the camera when I look away. It does tilt down. Real comfortable. It gets right in my viewing angle, so I can see right in front of me. This is high. That's low. Camera doesn't do it justice. I probably should mess with the exposure ratings, but I don't know how to do that. So there's off. I do have this lux meter. It's a light meter. A lux is just a lumen per square meter. So let's see what we got here. So it says it's 200 lumens. Change the range here, auto. Yeah, so I'm getting 400 lux. So 400 lux divided by about 2 square meters is roughly 200 lumens. So I can believe that this is a 200 lumen headlamp. I think that's accurate. But you could read by it. You can work by it, certainly. Maybe not delicate work. It's not a surgical precision light, but pretty happy with it. And as you can see, when I look around, it does illuminate the area. So yeah, wow, I got this. I think I just looked it up on my phone, and I paid $8.99 for 2 of these. So they were $4.50 a piece. So they were the cheapest light at the time. That's why I bought them. But absolutely digging this. I think this is definitely something I give to my kids. Yep, so just walking across the street. It's the next night or a couple nights later. I've actually been using this thing last couple of nights working outside. I did Christmas lights. You kind of see I got the Christmas lights up. And I use this headlamp pretty much exclusively. I have quite a few other headlamps, but kind of digging this one. It's comfortable, and I like the way you can angle the beam. So, allegedly we can see northern lights, so I'm just walking out to the lake to see if we can see them. Got a little bit of snow. Some of the shady areas. I don't think you can see the lake. Light's not that bright, but There it is. Got a little layer of ice on the top. Can you see that? Maybe a little bit. I don't see any northern lights. Looks like it's just a bit cloudy. You can kind of see the moon there. It's kind of clouded. Well, what do we think of the Everready lightweight headlamp 2-pack? Well, I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. So I have quite a few other headlamps. I actually have the Milwaukee headlamp and a few of these Princeton Techs, and I really like them. I mean, this doesn't have the red light like some of my other ones for night vision, but yeah, this is fantastic. It's lightweight, pretty simple, not a lot of bells and whistles. I like that the batteries are easy to replace if you needed to. Well, this is what I was using. Batteries are really easy to replace. There's no screw or anything like that to get into the battery compartment. I dropped it a few times, but it'll illuminate what you're doing. I mean, it's not going to throw a spot across the field like you saw going out to look at the northern lights, or the lack of. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I'll throw a link down below for this stuff. This is just a super simple headlight. You can keep it in your boat, throw it in your snowmobile, just toolbox. It doesn't matter. It's just going to bang around, and I think it's up to the task. Yeah, for just a couple of bucks, this was an excellent buy. So anyway, hope this was helpful. I got a couple other things that I just got real cheap, and 'cause I'm a cheapskate, and we'll see if they work. As always, thanks for watching.